What's up, guys? Caleb here, and behind me I have my Whipple F150, and I want to tell you guys how it made 700 plus wheel horsepower to all the wheels. All right, guys, so a little more information about my truck. It has the Stage 2 Whipple Gen 5X. It's a Stage 2, meaning it came with the bigger throttle body and the GT500 injectors. It has stock headers. It has the Performance Y pipe from 2M Fabrication. It's their off-road pipe, if you pick up what I'm saying. And then it goes to a MagnaFlow muffler, and it has these side exits right here. It's lower, obviously, but that's not important. And another key factor to know that it is on the stock fuel pump. The fuel pump has not been touched at all. So you might be asking yourself, okay, so you have all those things. How are you making 700 plus to the wheels? Well, there are three key factors. Number one, the truck is not on the stock pulley. The Stage 2 kit came with the 3.875 pulley. I pulleyed down, and now it has the 3.75 pulley. So smaller pulley means more boost. I'm looking right at 12 to 12 and a half pounds of boost. Also, there's a stock motor and stock trans. So that's number one, smaller pulley equals more boost. Number two is E85. So with the stock fuel pump and being boosted, the highest mixture that I can run is E30. So I'm having to mix E85 with 93. You might be asking yourself, how do you run E30 or how do you mix E85? When you go to a gas pump, you select E85. What you should be doing before every fill up usually is to test your E85. So you can get this E85 tester off Amazon. It's like $8, $10, $12, something like that. You get that, you put water in it, you put your E85 in it, you shake it up, and it tells you what ethanol percentage your E85 is. Right now, around here, around me, I'm getting about E70. So keeping that E70 number in mind, we then have to take that number and figure out how to take it to E30. I'm going to be filling the truck up with 93, mainly to dilute it to E30. So all that, that's confusing. I highly recommend, the easiest thing that you can do is to get this app right here. This is the E85 calculator app. All right. So if I click on it, you put in your information, you put in, how much gas you have in your tank, and then it tells you what your mixture is, right? So just get the app, put in the numbers, and it'll tell you exactly how to mix this truck to E30. And I'll do a more in-depth tutorial about this later, but the truck is currently on E30. So step one, smaller pulley. Step two, E30. Step number three, and this is the final step, that's right, there's 3 steps, is you gotta have a tune. So you need to be tuned by someone to take advantage of the more boost and the fuel. Who I went with and who I recommend is Rob Shoemaker. Shoemaker Performance. He was absolutely phenomenal. I don't have one single bad thing to say about him. I got this device to me on a Thursday, and he had the truck entirely tuned on 93 and E30 in one single day, which is crazy. And then the next day, I took it to the dyno. I was pretty much able to do a dyno session with him remotely. So I was at my local dyno, did some dyno pulls, sent in the data logs. He made some changes, and the truck is perfect. So having that tune take advantage of the E30, the smaller pulley, means this truck is making 700 plus to the wheels. That tune doesn't also just help it make more power, it helps it shift better, it helps it rev out higher, which in all makes the biggest difference than you can imagine. I'm now shifting at 76, 7700 RPMs. The truck just screams, it keeps pulling. I'm gonna be doing a POV driving video of this truck. I'm gonna have, the camera on my head driving it. Let you guys, get you guys as close as possible to having the experience of driving this truck. It's amazing. It's the fastest thing I've ever driven. But yeah, guys, This is my F-150. This is just the beginning. The goal is to make more power, obviously, but I'm very happy with how it is now. I hadn't even been able to drive it in the last 2 weeks because of this snowstorm that came in. I'm ready to get this thing back out, ready to get more content, all that fun stuff. If you guys want to follow the journey, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment on any ideas that you want to do or any questions that you may have, guys. Appreciate you. All glory to God. Peace out.